No!
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here, back for another video. Wow! How about a whole bunch of Oreo stuff all in one video? I even got Oreo t-shirts. Delicious. I actually bought these on Amazon. YOLO! Here's the other one, Oreo. But let's try this one off. You obviously love Oreos. I do. That's why all of this ain't, I'm working on it, but I gotta get my Oreos, man. All right, guys, today I got some crazy product. All of them I bought except one, but I kind of bought it too. See, so this is, you all been requesting this one. This is the Oreo music box. I have not had a chance to try this out. So I actually bought this off Amazon, and then a week later, Oreo sent it to me. So I'm using mine, but I gotta give them the shout out that they sent me one just in case they say, you should have said, we sent it. Thank you, Oreo, for sending the box, but what is this? Okay, so apparently you use an Oreo to play music like it's a record player. What? So you see the beautiful Oreo package here. Go ahead and open this together. No! Wait. Okay, I thought it was just, I thought this is the whole music box and maybe a couple cookies. I went off because these are probably my all-time favorite Oreos. The white fudge. Sorry. Oh my God. Okay. So, and then they got Oreo thins. Ain't nobody got time for thins. You want the real thing. Give me quadruple stuff. Sorry. Okay. Thins. And then we got Oreos. And then we got more thins. I can't be eating all this. Andre, come over. Somebody. Okay. And so, what's this? This is the music box. I thought it was this whole thing. Okay, well, get that out of here. Okay, so how does this work? They give instructions. Okay, hold on. This is the Oreo turntable. And it has a speaker, it has a microphone. What is going on? I gotta be careful because, you know what? I don't have roaches, but we got, just in case, the Christmas roaches are tough to like get rid of because, they stay on to the new year. I think they own the place. If they stay more than 30 days in California, they have to become tenants. Why is this one broken? I'm gonna have to eat that. Okay, let me choose one that's not broken. Okay, I'm gonna follow these directions. What is this? We got the Oreo on the turntable, right? Okay, that's the arm. Now, place the whole Oreo cookie on the turntable. Okay, turn the music box arm to the center of the Oreo cookie. Music will begin playing. Okay, so let me. Oh! I'm still in Fortnite. Every time you take a bite from the cookie, the song changes. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. All right. All right. Hey! There's something else I could try. I'm gonna put a whole Oreo there. I can actually record a message.
The button. Okay. Wait for the LED to turn red twice. How long I gotta wait?
That's me! All right, so guys, that was kind of dope. Yum, yum, yum. Just we already got Oreo taste in our mouth. How about we try these limited edition peppermint bark Oreos? Y'all been crying for me to try these. I'm like, I don't like peppermint stuff, but I'm gonna try them, okay? Oh, okay. They smell like a cough drop. All right, okay, that's about a milk. Let's just say if you like peppermint and you like your breath to smell clean after you eat Oreos, get this one. I never liked candy canes, except these! Oreo candy canes! This better not be minty. Can it just taste like an Oreo and nothing else? That's all I want in my life. All right, oh, okay, hold on. This doesn't really have a mint taste at all. Oh, I taste the Oreo cookie in here. Wow. You almost put on my nose. Pause on all of this, but oh, that's good. These don't taste minty at all. Called Oreo candy canes. I got them on Amazon. Speaking of Amazon, they have this mystery Oreo box. Actually, it's not mystery. It says exactly what's on it. I just didn't know what was in it. I saw Oreo subscription box. That's what it was. And I said, okay, and it's a gift box that you can give to somebody. You can order these on Amazon. I don't know what the price is. It probably is like 20. Okay, I was so wrong. I'm talking about the $20, $30. It's $10.19 right now. So my bad, I just looked it up. So let's see if this is a gift box worth $10.19. Because if it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. It don't make dollars, it don't make sense. Y'all don't know DJ Quick? No? Okay. Download Oreo digital stickers. You couldn't just put the stickers in here. Go get the stickers. That's how the presentation. I did not even show you the box. I am doing everything backwards today. I am sorry. This is what the box looks like. These have 2 cookies in them. Okay, so keep that in mind. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. 3 packs of Oreo minis, and then you get 1 double stuffed thing. So let me just do the math in my head. If I go to Walgreens right now, I could probably pick up this box for what, $1.99? Let's just say $2. You have one of those ghetto corner stores, and these are 50 cents each, okay? So let's just say that's $1.50. $3.50. And then 2 cookies. So let's just say this is $1. We're talking about $5 here-ish. Oh, you know what? What other $5 are? It's the stickers. It's the stickers that you download. Okay, this is a rip. Don't get this box. I get that out of here. Okay, I found this at Bed Bath. What's the Bed Bath & Beyond? I believe so. So this is an Oreo milkshake set. Those little 2 packs again. You get 2 cups, 2 straws, and you get a spoon. So let me just say right off the bat, like real talk, these are, I might order a set for myself because these are nice. So look at that. So that's an Oreo milkshake cup. Tells you the ingredients of what to put in there. 2 Oreo cookies, vanilla ice cream, half cup of milk, and you blend it. See, I ain't got time to be doing that. But like, I feel like this is the same brand. I happen to bring up a bowl that I've owned for years. My grandma gave me 2 of these years ago. It looks like it's the same, like ceramic type of feel to it. 2 packs of 2 cookies. So you put those in there. You put the ice cream in there. And I do like that there's an ice cream scoop that says Oreo. Yum, 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 yum. I don't want to put my hands on them. There's 2 straws. I say this is a pretty good gift just on fact of these. I thought these were going to be plastic, and they're nice ceramic ones. So, yo. All right, so this next one, I think this was Amazon, but I saw it at Bed Bath & Beyond as well. This is a little bit more complex. Ultimate dunking kits. So it has, what is I was gonna call them pliers. Thongs, yes, it has thongs in it. I mean tongs, sorry. I wish it had thongs in it. Thong. 13 Oreo cookies. 2 glass mugs, so the mugs might be worth it. 2 cookie cages. 2 cookie tongs, and 2 napkins. It's listed here at $17.98. Who puts 2 cookies in a milkshake? I wish I would go to a restaurant. They put 2 Oreo cookies in there. I slap them like they're crazy. I go to Dairy Queen and be like, you extra Oreo, and then add some ice cream to it. Oh snap! This is fire. I'm sorry. We're gonna have to try this one. I'm excited, actually. This is a lot of work to be just eating some cookies. I'm just saying. This is too much work. I just want to eat. We're gonna go ahead and his hand is a little shaky, so just oh, wait, I'm sorry. Oh, no. God. I am not drinking all that milk. I'm just saying. This is so stupid. Okay, so you got the tongue. Oh, you can't forget the Oreo napkin. I am going to be fancy with my Oreo dipper. So, okay, so I got my tongue. I put this right here. Dip. This is so stupid. Okay. I don't know if I want to use the tongs though. I'm just saying. All right, so the next thing I found, this just came out. Well, I don't know if it says new, but I bought it about a week or 2 ago, maybe I think a week ago, and I saw it in an article. This is Oreo drink mix. Guys, like, what? What? I'm thinking this is like Nesquik or something like that. My voice went really high right there. Oh, okay. Add 2 tablespoons of, okay, where's my spoon? All right, this is actually the only spoon I could find, but yeah, should be okay. I'm kidding. 2 heaping tablespoons? No, just 2, okay. 1, okay. 2, okay, no, I'm, okay. Okay, there are still some bits in here. I think I was supposed to use maybe a bigger glass. That's okay though, because it's still Oreo. So we're gonna go ahead and just taste this. I stirred it up as best as I could though, but there's still some bits in there. Hold on. Okay. That's good. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to have any more sugar for the rest of the weekend and next week. Okay. Woo! Ow! This is good. This is good. All right, so the last thing I'm gonna test out, way too much sugar. Guys, do not try this at home. This is another drink, but this is hot. Oreo hot cocoa mix. Now, I'm really excited to try this. I got a Keurig. I'm gonna go get some hot water and I'll be right back. Oh, okay. I'm just kidding. That's hot. Oh, I don't know if you can see the steam. Can you here, see if you can see that while I'm, all right, so we got that, and I guess you can add milk for a more indulgent experience. I'm gonna go try it with water. So just to let you know, you can use hot milk. I bet it tastes better. But since I already did milk for the last thing, I'm gonna try water, see how this tastes. All right, pour that in. Oh, this is dark. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's good. Oh. 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 This is basically great for the winter. Guys, buy this for sure. For the winter. Not sponsored. Should be. That was a lot of Oreo stuff I compiled together for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I will put links to everything that I can. If something is sold out or whatever, I'll still put the link so you can at least know the details on it. Let me know which product you thought was the coolest, and let me know which product you thought was the most lame. And yeah, that's the thing that's gonna do it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Oreo, how about in 2019 you throw your brother some money? I'm just saying. Might be the last one for a while. I can't be eating all this sugar and y'all ain't taking care of my bills. I'm just saying. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later.